The 2023 BMW X3M feels and drives more like a sports car than an SUV. A twin-turbo inline six-cylinder engine makes an impressive 473 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque in the standard model, but in the X3M competition those numbers get bumped up to 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. The 2023 X3M shares its updated interior design with the regular X3. The full-blown M version enjoys more standard features and an assortment of exclusive details. The latter mainly consists of M badging, red drive mode buttons on the steering wheel, and aggressively bolstered front seats. The competition package brings front chairs with even more bolstering. Throughout the cabin, attractive materials show off BMW's adherence to upscale aesthetics. Along with this crossover's standard leather upholstery and selectable interior accents, BMW has provided a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, 14-way power front seats, customizable ambient interior lighting, and heated front seat cushions. Still not swanky enough. Buyers can opt for finer leather and a host of premium options, including a head-up display, heated rear seats, a heated steering wheel, a panoramic sunroof, and side window shades in the rear. There's plenty of passenger space for all, as well as a generous amount of cargo room. We managed to fit 7 carry-on suitcases behind the X3's rear seat and 20 with the seatbacks folded. Buyers of the mechanically similar X4M will give up some of that space to that model's dramatically sloped rear end.